As we age, building and maintaining muscle becomes one of the most important factors in staying strong, independent, and healthy. After 70, it becomes even more crucial to support muscle health, as sarcopenia, muscle loss due to aging, accelerates, making everyday tasks harder and increasing the risk of falls and fractures. Many seniors turn to protein-rich foods like eggs to help maintain muscle mass. But what if I told you that there's a protein source that works even better than eggs when it comes to building muscle after 70? I'm Dr. Nancy Weller, and today I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing protein that not only helps rebuild muscle faster, but is also easier to digest, safer for your heart, and incredibly effective at preventing muscle loss as you age. And the best part? This protein is plant-based, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain muscle health without relying on animal products. The protein I'm talking about is pea protein. While eggs have long been considered one of the best sources of protein, especially for muscle building, pea protein is emerging as a superior option, especially for seniors. Let's explore why pea protein is more effective than eggs for building muscle after 70 and how it can play a pivotal role in reversing the effects of muscle loss. First, let's talk about pea protein and its benefits. Pea protein is made from yellow peas, and it's an incredibly high-quality plant-based protein. A typical serving of pea protein contains around 20 grams of protein, which is on par with the protein content found in a serving of eggs. However, pea protein stands out for its amino acid profile, which is crucial for muscle building. Unlike many plant-based proteins that are deficient in certain essential amino acids, pea protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at building muscle, even when we consume enough protein. This is due to a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance, which means our muscles become less responsive to protein intake. This is where pea protein shines. It has been shown to be highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use it more effectively than many other plant-based proteins. In fact, studies have shown that pea protein can be just as effective, if not more effective, than whey protein in promoting muscle growth and recovery, especially in older adults. Now, let's compare pea protein to eggs in terms of digestibility. While eggs are a great source of protein, they can sometimes be difficult to digest, particularly for seniors who may have a sensitive stomach or digestive issues. Eggs, being an animal-based protein, contain higher amounts of saturated fat, which can cause discomfort or bloating in some individuals. In contrast, pea protein is easier on the digestive system, especially for those who may be lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy, as pea protein is naturally dairy-free and gluten-free. It's also lower in fat and doesn't come with the cholesterol concerns that animal-based proteins like eggs can pose. One of the biggest advantages of pea protein over eggs is its heart health benefits. As we age, our risk for heart disease increases, and maintaining a healthy cholesterol level becomes even more important. Pea protein is low in saturated fat, which means it doesn't contribute to the artery-clogging cholesterol that eggs can sometimes cause. Additionally, pea protein is rich in arginine, an amino acid that plays a role in increasing nitric oxide production in the body, which helps improve blood flow and supports cardiovascular health. Eggs, while nutritious, are higher in cholesterol and can contribute to heart-related issues, especially when consumed in excess. Another reason why pea protein works better than eggs, particularly for seniors, is its muscle-preserving properties. Pea protein has been shown to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, the process that builds and repairs muscle, more effectively than other protein sources, especially in older adults. In fact, one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that pea protein was comparable to whey protein in promoting muscle growth and recovery in older adults, making it an excellent option for seniors looking to preserve and rebuild muscle. Pea protein is also a great option for those concerned about protein absorption. When we age, our body's ability to absorb and use protein can decrease, making it harder for seniors to get the full benefit of the protein they consume. Pea protein is highly bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed and utilized by the body, which is essential for rebuilding muscle after 70. This makes pea protein an even more efficient choice than eggs, especially for older adults who are looking to maximize their muscle-building potential. In addition to supporting muscle health, pea protein also offers a wealth of other health benefits. Pea protein is rich in iron, a mineral that many seniors are deficient in. Iron is critical for oxygen transport and overall energy levels. Many seniors struggle with fatigue and weakness, and adding pea protein to their diet can help prevent these issues by supporting healthy red blood cell production. Unlike animal-based proteins like eggs, which can sometimes be hard on the digestive system, pea protein is gentle and easy to incorporate into your diet without causing digestive discomfort. Pea protein is also rich in fiber, which is essential for digestive health. As we age, digestion tends to slow down, and constipation or irregular bowel movements become more common. The fiber in pea protein can help support healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and promote regularity. This can be a huge benefit for seniors looking to maintain gut health and overall well-being. So, how can you add pea protein to your diet? The beauty of pea protein is that it's incredibly versatile. You can find pea protein powder in most health food stores or online, and it can be easily added to smoothies, shakes, baked goods, or even stirred into soups and stews. For seniors who have difficulty chewing or prefer liquid nutrition, adding pea protein to a smoothie or protein shake can be a great way to get the nutrients they need without the hassle of chewing. You can also find pea protein-based snacks, like protein bars, making it easy to incorporate it into your diet throughout the day. If you're someone who enjoys eggs but wants to reduce your intake of animal products, you can easily replace eggs with pea protein in many recipes. Pea protein can be used to make vegan egg scrambles, added to baking recipes, or even used as a substitute in traditional dishes that typically rely on eggs for protein. Not only will this provide you with more protein, but it will also offer a cleaner, heart-healthier alternative to eggs. To wrap up, if you're over 70 and looking to build muscle and prevent sarcopenia, pea protein is a superior choice to eggs. It provides more protein, is easier to digest, supports heart health, promotes muscle growth, and is packed with essential nutrients like iron and fiber. By incorporating pea protein into your daily routine, you can help reverse muscle loss, stay strong, and maintain your independence as you age. So, forget eggs and try pea protein to give your muscles the support they need to thrive after 70.